Good afternoon, all. Thank you for joining me. So, now that my desk is set up and the office is going, everything here is very nice. It's going well. I got the nice atmosphere, got some nice lighting going, hooked everything up to a nice little switch back here. So I have all these lights that are behind me that can go on with a flip of a switch. Just unfortunately, it looks a little too bright behind me on the camera. So I am foregoing it for the video. Now, with this project, I am going to be doing a little upcycling. So what I did was I put a post out to some friends, some family, some people online. And I said, hey, does anyone have some old monitors, some old laptops? And lo and behold, as you can see these monitors right here, I have quite a bit of them. So now that I have these, I'm going to first be testing to see if they work. If they work, determining the resolution. For all I know, I might keep them and continue to use them, or there are several different things that I can do as well. One of the other things, for example, which I was able to get, was a couple laptops. So there are a few things that I can do with these. This one I did turn on already. This one actually works absolutely fine. The only thing is it is older technology. It does run Windows XP, which, as we all know nowadays, due to the whole debacle of Microsoft stopping support for Windows 7, older operating systems do have an issue. However, the hardware in that is more than sufficient to run Linux. So I'm going to be debating whether to keep that laptop intact, install Linux on it, and use it as an additional workstation, or potentially a media server. Speaking of media servers, one of the other things which we have recently acquired was this. This is an old stereo cabinet, which the majority of it is empty. There are no cassette players in this, or CD players, as we don't really have too much of a use for those. But what we do have is we have the turntable, record player, whatever you want to call it, and a old tuner. This tuner itself does allow different audio inputs. So essentially, I can use that tuner to connect any other media device into, which I very well might do. I do have some old style stereo jacks, which I can pull additional wires out of. So it'll go from the mini plug with the two audio cables coming out for left and right, and I can plug into this thing. So this is going to be the start of my upcycling technology project. Also, I do have several old printers. Not really fully sure what to do with these. The printers themselves don't work, or they do need one or two replacement pieces, which, while they can be acquired, do exceed the cost of a new printer and or exceed the cost of what those printers currently are as a resale. So I don't feel too bad if I do want to take those printers apart and experiment. So I hope you guys do like this whole video. Give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned for what we're going to be doing for the upcycling of all these monitors, laptops, and even some stuff that we're going to connect into this stereo cabinet back here. So take care and see you in the next video.